CPU. CPU is the current word. I think the U is going to be hard in this one. We'll see what you guys come up with for that. Nice, Hamad. Cookies per unit. Nice. Patrick, great answer. Great answer. I love that, Patrick. Tarun, hey Tarun, I think this is your first time attending. Thanks so much. Right now we're actually playing a game. You know, we're taking a little bit of a different Saturday just to keep things light. I'm not really taking questions today, but you're welcome to stay and play the game with us. Wrong answers only. And then, you know, come back to another stream where I take more questions. Today's stream is just more fun. Tomorrow is a class, so I typically don't take questions then. But you come back on Monday, we can certainly try to help you, okay? Oh, I like that one. Casual economists can't pay up. That's a good one. Rahul, challenging people's understanding. Ooh, I like that one. Very, what's the word I'm looking for? Very appropriate for data science, right? Data science is about changing people's understandings, right? I like that. Deadlord, crunchy pickles unlimited. Deadlord, you're on this food kick. Are you hungry? Yeah, and as Patrick points out, that's hilarious. Tarun, that's too many letters. That's funny. That's funny, Patrick. Patrick also submitting cool people undulate. Cool people undulate. Okay. Cakes pizza unfiltered. Nice, nice, Rohan. Anybody else for CPU? Last call for CPU. Ahmad says craving pizza unlimited. Yeah, pizza's good. I could have unlimited pizza. I'd be down for that. Clown protects unicycle. Nice. I like that one. That's creative. I like that. Oh, Tarun coming in strong. Cats playing ukulele. Nice. That would be a great prompt, right? Somebody put that in the chat GPT or Dolly and come back with the answer, right? Cats playing ukulele. That would be a fun. That's a fun prompt. Chat participates usually. Nice, nice, Patrick. I like that one. Dogra also liking Tarun's entry. Yeah, Tarun, that's a strong entry for your first time. Nice. All right, that's a lot of really good entries. This might have to come down to a vote, guys. Yeah, we're gonna do this in a vote. Okay, so participate in the chat. Give me a vote. Give me a vote in the chat. I'm going to go with give me a 1. Okay, Deadlord says I like Tarun too. Yeah, you know it's a strong entry for sure. But I'm liking 2 of these.